Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my Rakhi video's last part. Here I will show you unique photo Rakhi design ideas using clay. Hope you will like this video. It's a photo Rakhi. So I take one photo and cut it in a round shape. Now I took molded clay which you can easily buy from local market and mix it properly. Keep watching. Now I will flat the clay and cut it in round shape. Then I will stick the photo on clay using Fevicol. Here for first Rakhi I will make sunflower. So by using clay I am making sunflower petals. Keep watching how I am doing this. Now using Fevicol I am sticking all the petals and using a tools I will mark all petals for better looking. And here I am done. I make holes in two sides of petals. Now the second design. In this photo I want to hide my half of photo, so I am making different design. So for hide, here I am making one half lotus using clay and add details. These two Rakhis is for kids, so I am making very simple design. Just add few round clay ball on side. After done the process, now I am applying white acrylic color as my base color in both Rakhis. Then for first Rakhi I choose golden yellow color and for detailing using brown. Here it's done. Now for second Rakhi, first I will paint the lotus using yellow and pink color. Keep watching. Now using brown color for border design. Now for clay balls, here I use two shades of color, one is sky and one is blue. Here I am using golden acrylic color for extra detail. Keep watching. Here it's done. Now I will make the band. For that first I use jump rings which I brought from local market only. After adding jump rings on sides, now I will use thread. Here I am using cotton DMC thread, maroon color. Then use few motis for extra detail. Second Rakhi also I am making in the same way, but I use blue color thread. Here I am done. I have made many more photo Rakhis. I will add few pictures in last part of the video so you can get your ideas. Hope you like my unique Rakhi design idea, and if you like this video then do like and share. And if you are a new viewer on my channel then don't forget to subscribe my channel and do check out my other videos too. And if you have any queries then you can ask me in comment section. Bye bye, see you in the next video and thanks for watching.